Welcome to First Park Homes Cavite, and for today we will be viewing the model unit of a combined two townhouses measuring a total area of 80 square meters in floor area and a total land area of 104 square meters. This will feature 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Each First Park home comes automatically with a free fence, free gate, installed vinyl floorings, painted walls, free bedroom partitions, and a free carport. Let's take a look at what's inside this combinable unit. And as we enter, this is your living room. Perfect spot for you and your family to spend the day after a very busy and tiring day at the office or in school. This is a spacious layout. That area over there is your entertainment area, and the area over here can serve as an additional area to entertain your guests, or it can serve as your reading nook as well. The potted plant on that corner gives a nature-inspired vibe. And this area over here was converted to become a mini bar. And that beautiful accent divider serves as a partition between the living room and the toilet and bath. And as we enter, this is the first toilet and bath in the first floor of this combined unit. Again, the actual deliverable for the toilet and bath includes a free ceramic tiles for the walls and ceramic tiles for the floor as well. This is just to give you an idea how you can design your toilet and bath. And this is how the mini bar was designed. And moving on, let's take a look at the dining area. The dining area is also spacious. It can accommodate a 6 to 8 seater dining table, suitable enough for the family. And the neutral colors on the wall of this model unit gives a beautiful backdrop for the gathering of the family. This console cabinet serves as a storage for some kitchen stuff. And moving on this area, we have the kitchen with overhead counter cabinets and under counter kitchen cabinets as well. And this is the second toilet and bath for this combinable unit. So aside from Naik Cavite and General Trias Cavite, First Park homes are also located in Laguna, Batangas, Quezon, Bulacan, Pampanga, Bataan, Nueva Ecija, General Santos, Bacolod, and Iloilo. In addition, amenities in First Park homes are swimming pool, village clubhouse, basketball court, playground, outdoor cinema, outdoor gym, pet park, gazebos, jogging paths, and Wi-Fi nodes as well. So we're now here on the second floor. That area serves as a work from home area. And this is the view of the second floor if we're on this space. And let's take a look at the first bedroom. So there's a built-in cabinet, a vanity area / work from home area. That is the area where the bed was placed, a side table, and you can see that the windows provide ample lighting and natural ventilation. This is a good layout for the master's bedroom. Let's move on to the second bedroom. Again, vinyl floorings are already installed and each bedroom comes with a bedroom partition. So the second bedroom, in this area, a cabinet was placed, and then we can see here how neutral colors provide a beautiful background for the bedroom. Floating shelves, a work from home area, and a single bed makes up the second bedroom. And as we move on, for the third bedroom, we can see how it was designed. A vanity table was placed over here, and then a single size bed was also placed on this area. And again, windows provide ample lighting and ventilation. If you're interested in this 3-bedroom, 2-toilet and bath combined townhouse, please message me for details. If you're looking for your dream house or your dream condo, allow me to help you, and let's check the property that suits your budget and your lifestyle. My name is Beth Benlac, your marketing officer from Filipino Homes under a licensed broker. Thank you for watching.